Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. The support I get from y'all is unreal. I seriously have the best and most sweetest subscribers ever. I'm so grateful for you guys. You guys seem to really enjoy the last video I did using the SXC Zodiac series kit, but it only had like 6 out of the 12 Zodiacs, and some of you guys were like, girl, I don't see my birthday on there, I don't see my sign, and I was like, you know what, you're right. But lucky for you guys, SXC didn't forget about you. So today we're going to be playing with their other Zodiac series that has the 6 other birthdays in it. I've done a ton of lazy girl method nails lately, and I'm getting a little burnt out on it, so I wanted to switch it up and do a different method for you guys today. Also, shameless plug, my channel memberships are up and rolling. I would love for you to check it out and come and show your girl some support. I just uploaded a video for my members showing how I accomplished this makeup look. So if you would like to see behind the scenes videos, get access to some really fun perks, and join our little club, I'm going to leave the link down in the description below. It's going to be the very first link that you see, so go check it out. And yeah, okay, shameless plug is done. Anyway, if you'd like to check out the second SXC Zodiac Polygel kit and chit chat, do some nails with me, then please keep watching. Bye! Alrighty, let's unbox this kit. You guys know you can use my code SLAYBYJ and you'll save yourself 10% when you shop with SXC. Here is the Polygel instruction manual. You can pause it if you want to read it. We have some nail forms, the dual forms. We have a 100-180 grit nail file, the standard nail brush and spatula. I love that red, like you never see red brushes. We have these beautiful flat back rhinestones and 2 cute nail decors, a top coat and a base coat. And then here are the 6 swatches. They are 30 mls and they glow in the dark. All right guys, so I'm gonna do a little bit of a voiceover during this part. So for this video, I had a request from one of my channel members. Her name's Cassandra. That's one of the perks. If you become a channel member and join my memberships, you can request videos from me and I get them out for you guys. So one of the requests she had is she wanted to see someone use as many different dual forms as possible in a video. She couldn't find a video on YouTube showing somebody using multiple different dual forms in the same video, so that's what we're gonna do. She actually sent me these ones right here. Look how cool these are. They're like long coffin shaped dual forms, and I wanted to use them on every single nail because you guys know I'm obsessed with the coffin XXL coffin. So she sent me a whole little baggie of them, so I'm gonna do like a whole video using these soon because I think they look so cute. But yeah, I pretty much have every brand in here. I noticed while going through my dual forms that some of the companies have like the exact same dual form. So yeah, I'm gonna show you which ones that we have before we start. So, or I guess I'll just show you as we go. I don't know. I guess I'll just show you right now. So this first one right here, this is Burano's nail tips. I think they are like full cover nail tips, but they're plastic and they're gonna work better as dual forms. And if you guys have seen that TikTok hack that's going around of people putting the polygel on their nail first and pressing the dual form down, we're gonna try that with this one today. So that's the Burano one. And then this one I showed you guys was the I want to just say XXL coffin. This is that baggie. You can get, I'm going to link everything down below. So if you like these, you can buy them off Amazon. So these ones are going to be from the kit that we're using today, the Zodiac kit. And I noticed that these ones were very similar to another brand. Let's see. Oh yeah, it was Beetles. So if you have the Beetles dual forms, they're going to be the exact same ones as the SXC. So this is like a 2-in-1 for this bad boy. And then this dual form right here is going to be a Saviland dual form. So we're going to be trying that one today. And then on the pinky nail, we're going to be using this one. This one came from Yayogi. But this is the same dual forms that come in the beauty, I think that's how you say it, the beauty kits. So yeah, there's that. So on my nails, these are Macart dual forms. I recently did a takeover on Macart's Instagram page, and yeah, so I already used the Macart ones, and I was noticing that the Gershon ones are like identical to the Macart ones. So I'm gonna be skipping Macart and Gershon today, just because I already used those recently. So yeah, I'm not gonna be using the Burana ones just because they look like so similar to the Saviland. So yeah, we're gonna be doing all different dual forms today. I already got sized out, so let's get started. With this one, the one that Cassandra sent me, and I want to encapsulate some butterflies in that, so let's get started. And I'm using Macart's Clear to encapsulate the butterflies since this kit didn't come with one. I don't think this kit came with a slip solution, so you're gonna have to use your own if you get this kit. This slips in a bottle. I just like using it because it's a lot easier. So yeah. By the way, I already have my nails prepped in this video. I'm gonna skip it for today's tutorial, but I do it in like every video. So I will link a video right here in the cards if you wanna see how I prep my nails. So I wasn't really sure what to expect in this tutorial with this video. I do have to say though that I have been doing dual forms wrong since I have started to do dual forms, and you're gonna see what I mean by the end. And at the end, I'm also going to give my like overall opinion on each of them. But when you encapsulate dual forms, it's very easy. It's kind of similar to Lazy Girl method. You have to put a thin layer of clear down, and then you put whatever decorations you want on in the clear. You cure that, and then you go on top with the desired color that you want. I'm using the Gemini pink one for my this long nail, and I actually really liked this dual form. You'll see at the end it kind of needed a little bit of work, but it was a lot better than I anticipated. Macart, you know, Macart, like my favorite polygel brand, one of my favorite polygel brand, they reached out to me a while ago and asked me to do a takeover on their Instagram page. And I didn't really, I don't know, it took me a while to get it done, but I finally did it. And I used the dual forms, and I copied one of their videos that they had recently put out, and I just followed what they did. And I realized that, like I said, I was doing the dual forms wrong. We're not supposed to like file on top of dual forms and all of that. When you pop them off, they're supposed to be ready to go. You just top coat it and go. And so you guys will see me do that in this. But then when Cassandra asked me about this video, she was like, Janessa, there's not one video on YouTube showing multiple different dual forms in the same video. And she's like, I love dual forms, I use them, and I want to purchase some, but I wasn't sure like what they looked like, you know. And she's like, I also have a bunch and I didn't know what they look like. I don't want to use them if they're not cute. And I was shocked. I'm like, how is there not a video like that out yet? And then when I did the Macart takeover one, I realized that, you know what, I have been like giving dual forms a bad rap, and I haven't been like really using them correctly in the first place. So after this tutorial, I really like them now. Again, I'm gonna be using them again, you guys. Like, that might sound crazy, but I really like them now. I know I need a little bit more practice. I need a little bit more work with them. These weren't like as flawless as, I mean, I'm not like trying to be conceited, but I feel like most of the nails I do are pretty good, and these ones weren't as good. Because I needed some more practice with the dual forms, and they were all like different nails too. They didn't really go together. But yeah, I just couldn't believe that, you know, this video wasn't out. And then when I got my Macart video done, they finally reached out to me and offered me PR, and I was like freaking out, you guys, because that's been like my goal for so long, is to get like noticed by Macart, and finally I'm just like so excited. So yeah, they sent me some stuff. And then this was the TikTok hack. So you're gonna see me attempt this on my thumb right now. And I'm just warning you, it's a complete fail. Like, I have no idea how they're doing this. Like, it has to be just for the video because you guys are gonna see right now. Like, what? I was like, huh? And then when you flip it over, I'm like, there's no slip solution. Like, so it fell right off. I tried again. I used more Polygel this time because when I squoze it, nothing even came up. And you guys, this is a fail. Like, has this worked for anybody? Help me. What am I so I put slip solution underneath to move the nail up. And nope, you guys, I couldn't even get this nail. It's still on my thumb right now. It's suction. It's glued. It's like Gorilla Glued to my thumb. I don't know how I'm gonna get this nail off, and I'm actually pissed because that's like a freaking lie. Like, this does not work. I'm gonna try it again with like an actual dual form and not that full cover tip, but fail. TikTok hack fail. You guys, it won't even budge, not even a little bit. It's so stuck. So just so you know, the TikTok thing I don't think works unless it does, and I'm just like not. So here they are. I'm going to pop off all the dual forms now. So I love this nail. It just needs a little bit more work. Like, I just need to practice, I think, again. And then, yeah, like, the 3 nails, like, besides my pointer finger, I feel like all of those dual forms were, like, very, very similar. You could barely tell the difference. So after you pop the dual forms off, I'm going to cut the tips because the tips are always, like, so weird. And then after you cut the tips off, you just file around the edges of the nail. You don't buff the top of the nail. You don't file the top of the nail at all. All you're supposed to do with dual forms is just file the sides. And the cuticle, be very careful with the cuticle. You don't want to file on top of it, just around it. And yeah, so these little rhinestones, they're like exactly the same ones as my McCart ones. And I don't like to like open things unless I finish the whole bottle of something else up. So I just wanted to spice these up a little bit, put some rhinestones on the cuticles, and yeah, I like them. Like, I don't know, those long ones, I have to do a full set with all those long ones because I really like the shape of them, and I feel like it's, you know, and I'm wearing them right now still. I didn't put any peel off base coat because I wanted to see if like they would last, and they're not thin, they're not like popping off or like anything like that. And then the last 3 nails, so the SXC, the SXC, the Saviland, and the Yogi ones, they're like basically identical. My pinky finger was a little bit weird. I didn't like how it came out, but yeah. So I'm going to charge these nails up, and this is the glow. I know these nails are like not that structurally nice, but it was just to show the dual forms. So a shout out to my channel members: Jennifer Landris, Maria Nail Journey, Penny Vestina, Nicole Boyer, Nailed by Sabri Griffin, Michelle Foy, Shelly Bateman, Cassandra Lynn, Enrique's Family Goods, China's Fierce B, and Kaylin Nails. Thank you so much to my channel members for making my YouTube channel possible. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys so much. Bye!